Your month is your animal bed. January, beluga whale bed. Okay, this one is comfortable. February, sea turtle bed. Oh, okay. Looks like the turtle got flipped upside down. March. Oh no. Okay, if you get a bad bed, subscribe to change your bed. April, narwhal bed. Okay, this one's not bad either. This one looks comfortable. May, starfish bed. Whoa. I just realized that the sunburns are gonna be crazy. June, shark bed. I don't know how I feel about this one. It's a little bit creepy. July, dolphin bed. Whoa. Okay, this one is cool. I love dolphins. August, flying fish bed. You're gonna get all wet. September, crab bed. Okay. This is a bad one. I'm sorry, guys. I don't like this bed. October, pufferfish bed. Yeah, I'm subscribing. There's no way I'm choosing pufferfish. November, jellyfish bed. Okay, as long as you don't get stung, you're good. December, swordfish bed. I don't know how I feel about this one.